break this. We're working out too much, you know?
Oh yeah. Progress, people, progress. A keep along community. Brother Jesse out here. You Uncle Willie's son.
You're trying to put this gate.
Yeah. No, we gotta put up the no trespassers gate. We have some couple of trespassers. We're gonna fix it all with a gate. Like Trump say, Trump put up a wall, we putting up a gate.
Keep on wall coming up. Not part of keep on community. Stay out.
Really can't wait to see the end result of all of this, man. Some beautiful land out here.
Just a little bit deeper. I'll put that stake. As deep as it was before. It's a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Wanna switch out, catch a breather?
Yeah, you know I'm out of shape.
Me too, man.
Show you that. Alright. Brother, just about to take off for a minute.
Yeah, man, y'all watch this King TV.
You saw me breathing hard.
I want 10 volunteers after this one. My goal is to come out here every weekend. I need 10 volunteers every weekend.
Sure.
You got a bill for the cause.
I would need some songs to sing while working, huh? Pickaxe swinging.
Hi-ho.
Hey, yeah, I'm tired. After we get this in, get it tied up. I'm gonna get the axe. We're gonna chop down a lot of these trees, and I'm gonna build like a makeshift bushwhack wall or something along the border. This is more for, you know, just intimidation factor, because this fence can easily be driven around. But most people, they see a fence up here, they will know that someone's here. You know.
If I'm dead, you know.
Huh?
Cut that part.
Oh.
If I'm dead, you know what it's gonna be.
Alright, some good work, yeah.
This is what I decided to do when I got off work.
Yeah.
I can't do more work.
Yeah, you worked full shift today, huh?
Do some work that counts.
Yeah.
This is where this is gonna benefit me, my family, my people.
Yeah.
Working up there at those jobs, it ain't feeding nobody else. It's not feeding us. Y'all gotta come out here. You gotta stand for something one of these days.
Yeah. Especially we got Trump out there trying to.
What did you invest your tax money in?
Right.
You know what I mean? Something temporary. Our kids gonna play on this land. The next generation of revolutionaries. You gotta pay the way.
You think these deep enough now, or should you a little bit more?
Oh, no, I'm just doing it for the camera.
All right, let's try putting the pole in, or the beam or whatever. See if it goes up. Yeah, that's good. All right, man. Let me turn this off so we can both get some more again. My fat glove fingers ain't trying to stop this camera.